In this video, I'm going to show you why staying single for 10 years almost destroyed her, and how it ended up making her unstoppable. Her name was Lara. At 25, she thought love was just around the corner. But after a messy breakup, the kind that leaves scars, she made a choice. No more relationships. Friends laughed, family worried. Then came a surprise twist. Her first ex came back, asking to get back together. She said no. And immediately, everyone called her cold. Years went by. She watched peers marry, have kids, start businesses, all while she stayed single. Doubts crept in. Am I missing something? Am I broken? Then came another twist. A job opportunity abroad. She could leave everything behind and start fresh. Her heart screamed yes, but her mind warned, is this running from life, or finally living it? She took the job. Alone in a new city, everything fell apart at once. Loneliness, cultural shock, homesickness. Her ex called again, this time apologizing and saying he was ready. The old Lara would have said yes. The new Lara didn't even pick up. Months passed. She realized her single years weren't punishment, they were training. Every heartbreak, every lonely night, every no she had given, built resilience she never knew she had. She learned to thrive on her own, to find joy without someone else. One evening she walked through the city, and a stranger accidentally bumped into her. Coffee spilled, laughter shared. No love at first sight. No instant sparks. But this time she felt curiosity, not desperation. And for the first time in 10 years she realized, love isn't the point. Growth is. Most people fear waiting, fear missing out, fear being alone. But Lara's story shows the twists, the pain, and the chaos are all shaping you into someone who can finally handle life on your terms. So if you're single, struggling, or feeling left behind, every heartbreak, every lonely night, every no you say, could be building your unstoppable self.